Installed a window regulator and motor in a 2013 Mini Cooper. Used a aftermarket part. The motor is not a factory Mini. It didn't come from the dealership. It came from a aftermarket supplier. And when you go to use the window, it actually, the polarity is reversed. Up goes down, down goes up. I think there's a way, if you have a factory scan tool, that you can reprogram it to work correctly. But a good workaround on these, where everything seems to function perfectly fine, is you can unplug your motor, fish out your harness, and if you pull this little gray plastic piece out of there, you slide it and then pull it straight out. You can pull these terminals out and you can just switch them. It just power on the one side, ground on the other side, and it switches polarity. That's how the window goes up and down, and you still get all your functions like it should. The window still jumps up when you shut it and everything like that if you just switch polarity at this plug. So it's a good little workaround if you if you don't have factory software where you can tell the body module that things need to be reversed, and seems to work fine. So showing you that quick video. Thanks.